This is by far the best mini lifter ever designed. Let me tell you why. The Smart Mini Lifter by Camauto. It has a pass-through head design. It has standard, a tab saver. Look, I just happen to have a tab right here. So when I thread this down, if I put the tab on here, now look, I grab my tab, I pull it, and it doesn't go flying across the shop or down the drain, and I don't lose money. Tabs aren't cheap. Might as well save them. We got a tab saver built into this. If you want, you can add on the internal spring for constant tension. It'll give you about a 1/4 inch of movement. But speaking of the constant tension, if you squeeze the handle, thread this down, it locks it right in place, giving you exact power where you want it. Let's go a step further. If you're up along a belt molding and you want to get that pull instead of that slide hammer pop, pull it into position, you can lock it into place and work that crown, or you can at least turn the feet and articulate them to where it gets where you need it. Now, if this tool wasn't the greatest tool on the planet, if you go one step further and buy the crease kit, she's standing tall and proud now, boys. Look at this. Up, you turn these feet in to where you have the flat side. You have this tab with a tall spine. You move these feet in. See that offset? That drives those feet in closer. With that offset, look how close this gets. That right there pins the metal, and from the tall spine gives you a direct center drive up, giving you, it pulls body lines. It is the meanest one on the planet. This is by far between the crease tab kit and this mini lifter, you won't have to look anywhere else. It is like having a miniature bridge in your hand, like at your fingertips, right? So if you want to also check out the benefits of that crease kit, it'll be over in the tab section on our website. And then we also have these wide base feet. So if you wanted to go on a rail, it would help disperse some of that energy and keep you from putting residual damage from that primary pull. So having said all that, the pass-through head, you can use our OG crease tabs. You can use some of our 3D minis, and any kind of tab that you can imagine. So the Smart Mini Lifter by Camauto.